Hello guys, welcome back to High Point again. And we were doing lectures about cultural studies, and in this video we'll learn about the spaces of consumption, the mall. So we have already learned how space of consumption is important in the previous video. If you have missed any of the videos of cultural studies, you can find them in the playlist. The link to the playlist is there in the I button. You can click it and have it. And also do visit my website and follow me on Instagram. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe to it and press the bell icon so that you get a notification when we upload a video in here. Okay, now let me quickly tell about the course that we are providing for NTE, which is in JRF English paper 2. Join us with the 15% off, and if you have free bonuses of personalized study guidelines and weekly test in every Saturdays. For more info, you can WhatsApp me or call me in this number, or you can reach out to me through our Instagram platform. And do visit my website www.highpoint.in. The link to the website is there in the I button. You can click it and go straight to the website and see what we have provided there. After having the free trial, how we have arranged the entire NTA syllabus for you one by one with utmost clarity under 11 topics. Okay, so don't waste your time up until the next announcement of the date of the exam. You can start learning from today itself, and you can have every other facilities that we are providing, and stop digging for the study materials and waste your time. You can invest your time in finishing the entire course, and you can start revising them. Moving on, let's have an introduction about the space of consumption, the mall. India is going through a phase of mall culture. In every other city there is a mall. If there is no mall in a city, that is not a city at all. Isn't it like that, right? It's a spectacle. Mall is a spectacle. Mall is a space of display where goods are arranged for maximum visual appeal. See, if you have gone to a mall, I hope everybody is familiar with the space of mall, right? Every other city it is there. Yeah, and mall is a common thing that you can find in every other city. And mall is a space of display. See, inside a mall there will be lots of shops, and every other shop will have glass glass doors and glass walls, which will be facing the veranda of the mall, where the consumers will be walking and seeing, and the got attracted to the displays, or got attracted to the arrangements have done in the shop. And also it's a great space for display. It's a spectacle. Mall is a spectacle where goods were arranged for maximum visual appeal, so that's why it has glass doors and glass walls. The arrangement of the goods has to be attractive, so it will be attractively arranged, and it need to be attractive enough to instill desire for a particular product, so that the shopper will purchase the same. So the visualization, the visual appeal should be in that way that the desire should be evoked in the shopper's mind, and ultimately they purchase the same. The mall can be read as primarily as a site of gazing and the spectacle. So even if you are not going to buy anything, you will be amazed by seeing all these displayed things, and even you will enter into the shop and you will just wander through the spaces, and you will see. So it's a site of gazing and the spectacle. Secondarily, it's a site of shopping. So once you see and you got the desire, if you have the money and desire to buy, then you will buy that. Okay, so it's a space of spectacle. The mall itself is a fantasy world into which you enter and experience the illusion of acquiring perfection as embodied in these images. So it will, because of the lighting and the way in which they are displaying these items, you will find them so exquisite, and you wanted to have each one of them, everything that is displayed there. Even isn't it like that? So it's a fantasy world in which you feel that every other item displayed they are perfect for you. You can acquire a kind of identity of perfection if you have those things with you. So it's a fantasy world, and you have the experience of illusion of acquiring this perfection as embodied in these images while you purchase them. And next quality associated to the mall is organization. It's not like a market also you will find many things displayed, but organization is very limited there. But mall is a place where everything is organized. Three dimensions of mall culture: modernization, systematization, and consolidation. These three together forms organized space of the mall. Modernization means it's a modern space. Everything you will find is modernized. Modern dresses will be found more than the traditional dresses. Modern food items will be there. Everything, and systematization, there will be a system to follow, and consolidation, everything will be consolidated in a very good system, and in a modern way everything will be organized. So modernization, systematization, and consolidation will be together, will come together in a mall and forms an organization. It's an enclosed street, so it's not a hypermarket. In a hypermarket you will find different, you won't find different shops, independent shops, but you will find various areas in which various items will be arranged in a particular, multi-storied shop, right? But that is not mall. There will be independent shops, and they will be displaying certain items, right? And there will be verandas for the consumers to walk and come and stroll and all. So it's an enclosed street. The sanitized city, it's a sanitized, you won't find garbages. It's a secured city, you will find security. Compare the market space and the mall space, you will find more secure in a mall space. You won't feel that you can experience a theft here. It's an escape from the city pollution. It's an escape from heat. It's an escape from thieves. It's an escape from garbages. It's a feminine space. Now let's have some more features of mall. There is an emphasis on cleanliness. You cannot find garbage filled mall. There may be, but usually we have the idea about mall that it is at most clean. When we compare the mall with market will be a dirty place to go, but mall is more clean. It's an example of globalization of culture. See, different people will come. There won't be any restrictions for any gender or any caste, creed, class. Everybody can go and everything will be available under one roof. Okay, so it's an example of globalization of culture, and it's hybrid. Hybrid means, there are various features are combined there, in order to satisfy the desire of a customer. Spatial equivalence, it's a picnic spot. Many people go and visit a mall just to have a picnic, just to have a pleasure time, and actually they won't buy anything. I have gone to a mall like that just to see and enjoy the space. It's a romantic spot too, right? It's a fantasy world, so it must be a romantic spot too. Lovers goes there. The public parks, a public park, people will go and they will have some snacks, they'll have some juice, and they'll sit and spend the entire day in the mall without buying anything specifically. It's a shopping area, of course, the relaxation and leisure space. Now, so that's all about the space mall. This is not that complicated. The mall is a hyper-real space, a historical, secure, post-modern, secular, uniform space of escape that takes the streets of the city into itself in a tightly controlled environment where time, weather, season do not matter, and where the natural is made through artificial lighting. Horticulture means flowers will be there, arrangements to enhance the beauty of the mall will be there, paintings will be there, and ensuring that this public space that resembles the city but offers more security and choice. So in a sentence we can include all the features of a mall like this. A hyper-real situation, more than reality you can find things, hyper-real situation. And a historical means it's a modern thing. And secure, post-modern, secular in the sense anybody can go to mall, no restrictions are there. Uniform space of escape that takes the street of the city into itself in a tightly controlled environment. So the street has taken into a tightly controlled environment. Walls are there, roof is there above your head, and you will feel secure. Where time, weather, season, whether it is raining outside, nothing matter. Whether it's a hot weather outside, nothing matter. What time is it, nothing matter. Season do not matter. So it's like weather, time, season do not matter. And the where natural means natural light, natural flowers and environment is recreated in an artificial way inside the mall. It's a public space. It resembles the city, but it offers more security and choices for the customers. So that's how we can define a mall. So that's all about the space of consumption mall. If you have any further features related to mall, you can mention that in the comment section. Do visit my website and also follow me on Instagram. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you like this video, press the like button. And if you have any doubts related to anything that we have just discussed, or if you want to know anything related to the course that we are providing, the materials that we are providing, anything related to NTA, UGC, Net JRF in general, you can WhatsApp me or call me in this number, or you can use the Instagram ID to reach out to me. Meet you in the next video session. Until then, stay tuned to High Point and be happy. Thank you for watching this video. Ta-ta, bye-bye.